You can earn money in just 3 easy steps using your smartphone. And you can do it over and over again by cashing out using numerous payment choices like PayPal, Payoneer, Skrill, Paytm, and a whole lot more. This method may be used without prior knowledge or expertise, and it is available worldwide. The application that we're going to use in this video is completely free, so you won't have to invest any money. So stick with the video and pay attention because I'll be providing you extra techniques throughout the video that will help you double or even quadruple your earnings. Simply pay attention and follow the video's instructions and you will definitely be able to earn money online. But before we start, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel.
Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video.
In this video, I'll be showing you different apps that you can download to make money online. The first app that I recommend you to download is called Big Time Cash. You can go over to their website and see all of the details about this app. Their website is winnergames.com. You can also go over to the App Store or the Play Store to download this app. So in this app, the first thing that you will do is to play. You can choose from a lot of games that are in big time and collect lots of tickets. These tickets that you'll be collecting can be converted into cash. So as you can see here, the more tickets you earn, the higher your chances of winning. The cash prizes lastly, when the time runs out, the tickets are tabulated and a winner will be drawn. So in just 3 easy steps on this app, you'll be able to earn money and you'll also have a chance to earn more through the draw after the time runs out. If you go over to the Play Store, the app's logo looks just like this. You'll also see the number of people that are using the app already over here. So make sure you're downloading the right app when you're on the Play Store or the App Store. If you scroll down below, you will see the different reviews that have been written by different users about this app. You can see that this app has gotten a really good rating from a lot of people. You can go over these reviews for you to know how reliable and legit this app is. Once again, the app will be giving you tickets and once you're done playing, you can convert these tickets into cash. If you want to learn more about this app, just go over and read the details on their website or even here on the Play Store. And you can also see examples of the games that you can play on this app right here. Here's a bonus tip for you on this app in choosing a game. Make sure to focus on a game or a couple of games that are paying high so that you won't be wasting your time playing. So many games but earning less. The name of the game that I would suggest that you can focus on is Galactic Gateways. If you focus on this game, or just one game, they'll be giving you way more tickets and that would mean more money. But before we get to continue, make sure to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell. Now let's get back to the video. Now it's time for us to move on to the next app that we have for this video. The next one is actually called Pogo, and you can go over to the site pogo.com. As soon as you come to their website, you can see here that you can register for free, and in just a little bit, while I'll be showing you how to register on this website, it will be so easy, so make sure you're paying attention to the video. When you go over to the website, you will see that this site has more games and it has a lot of different categories that you can choose from. If you're going to click on games, here on the upper left of the website, you will see different categories of games that you can earn money from. From this website, I want you to focus on poker and solitaire games. Both of these games are the most popular on this site, so make sure you're going to put your focus on both of these because it will make you the most amount of money. So let me show you one of these examples. If you're going to click on this game, for example, you'll be seeing more details about the game on how you're going to play it, and it will also show you screenshots on how the game actually looks like. So just go over it and learn more about the game so it will be easy for you to play it. It's also important that you know the game well so that you'll win these games because the more games you win, it means the more money you'll be earning. Don't worry though, because if you lose the game, you'll still be able to earn money. Now, if you're already ready to play the game, since you read all the details about it, you just have to click on this button that says Play Now. When you click on that button, you'll be taken to the page where you can start playing. But before that, they will be showing you ads, so make sure to just wait for the ads to finish and then start playing the game. What's also nice about this is that you can do this on your mobile phone or on your computer. So wherever you are, you can just grab your phone or open your laptop and just play the games from this website. Here's an extra tip for this website. You can go over to Pogo's Constellation and you can join the challenge so that you can earn more extra money from this website. Just go over here and click on the challenges above, then click on Pogo's Constellation. Once you join the challenge, you will just have to log in and play games for 30 days straight, and every day you log in, we'll be seeing progress, and then you'll be able to earn bonus points, which means more money for you. By the way, the points on this site are called Pogi points. So the more you have of this, then the more you can exchange into actual cash. By the way, these are tiers that you can achieve on this website. For every tier, you'll also be earning extra Pogi points. So make sure to keep on logging in every day and keep on playing the games on this website in order for you to achieve these tiers. There are a lot of different challenges here, and as you can see, you can just join these different challenges. If you want more and more points, just a quick reminder before we move on, make sure to focus on the solitaire and poker games because it will earn you more money. So if you want to register, just click on the register button right here and you will be taken to this page. And from there, just make sure to input all of the details they're asking, just like country, date of birth, and make sure to click on this box. After you're done registering, you can then start playing games and start earning money. The third and last app or website that we'll be discussing on this video is called getpaidto.com. When you go over to this website, you can just click on Join Free Today in order to register. When you come over to this page, you can input your username, password, and all the details being asked. Once you're done, just click on I'm not a robot and agree on the terms and conditions and click on Complete Registration. When you're done registering, you can scroll over and see that there are a lot of different games on the site. Every game here, you can earn an average of $1 to $3 per game. So on this website, make sure to focus on the game Football Tricks, because as per experience, this is the highest paying game on the site. So of course, you can also still play a lot of games since there are really a lot of options. Also, you can see here in the terms of payment options, the site also offers a lot of options so cashing out wouldn't be a problem for anyone. And that's about it for the apps or sites that I would recommend for you to download and play games on. So you would earn money. You can start visiting those sites or start downloading those apps right now and start earning money by just playing games. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure to leave a like down below. Also, hit the subscribe button and notification bell down below to subscribe to the channel. Big thanks to everyone and see you in our next video.